quick reading for February the 21st to the 22nd. Cancer, your cards are the Three of Pentacles, the Nine of Cups, and the Queen of Pentacles. Siguro matagal nag-isip si person, no? Pwedeng may expressions of love pero hindi sinasabi na I love you. Pwedeng through actions, no? Pero ito yung araw siguro na sa tagal ng kanyang pag-iisip. With the Nine of Cups, somehow maririnig mo yung I love you, somehow maririnig mo na you are important to me. You became a part of my life, and you're a big chunk of who I am right now. And with the Queen of Pentacles, parang ito yung offer na parang kang nilagyan ng corona, no? You win because gradual man itong pag-express ni person, nakikita mo yung growth, nakikita mo yung mga bagay na nagbago na si person, no, for you. So yeah, this is your quick reading for February the 21st to the 22nd.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.